starting with a circle. And we're going to stand up and say the Pledge of Allegiance. Right hand over our heart, eyes are on the flag, and we say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Same hand goes to our side and we say, I am somebody. I will succeed in school and life. I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECC, we will reach our dreams. Where is it? Where is it? You're right. It just magically disappeared. Voila! Now. All right, we're looking at the calendar. It is February, and it is February the 12th. Let's sing our Days of the Week song and figure out what day of the week February 12th is. Here we go. Days of the week. Days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Clap, clap. Snap, snap. Let me hear you. Can't hear you. Days of the week. 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 And today is Friday, February 12th, 2021. Tomorrow is Saturday the 13th. Sunday is the 14th. And here is the 15th, which is President's Day. We have no school. So we will be back here on Tuesday. No school on Monday. We'll be back here normal time on Tuesday. Let's go ahead and figure out what is going on with our pattern. We have two of everything. So we start off with a groundhog and a groundhog. Then we go to two hearts. So say it with me starting at the first. Groundhog, groundhog, heart, heart. Groundhog, groundhog, heart, heart. Groundhog, groundhog, heart, heart. What's going to come next? Let's see it. Try from here. Start from the first. Groundhog, groundhog, heart, heart. Groundhog, groundhog, heart, heart. Groundhog, groundhog, heart, heart. Groundhog. What's going to come down here on the 14th? Groundhog. And what's going to be on Monday? Heart. Heart when we're not here. All right. We said it was going to be sunny today. It is not sunny out there. What kind of weather do we have outside? It's not raining. I didn't get wet. It's not snowing, unfortunately. It is just cloudy. It is cloudy. There is no sun out there. What kind of weather are we going to have tomorrow for our Saturday? Sunny. All right. I'd like some sun tomorrow. All right. We're saying our alphabet together. Here we go. Everyone say it with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Counting all the 20. Let me hear you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I hear some friends just fine. Other friends I don't hear at all. And I should be able to hear everybody. Let me hear you. Count backwards from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! All right. What shape is this right here? Diamond. What else could it be called? Rhombus. What shape is this right here? Oval. Oval. How about this one right here? Star. And how about this one right here? All right, look at some colors. What color are my elephants? Gray. What color is my chocolate? Brown. What color is joy? Yellow. Our nursery rhyme this week is hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1. Down the mouse ran. Hickory dickory dock. All right, what number is this? I can't hear you. Big voice. 10. What is this number? 4. Let's count those squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. What number is this? 7. What shape is this? Oval. What color are my ovals? Red. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is this? What shape is that? Heart. What is this? 1. What number? 5. We've worked on the letter L, F, E, H, T, I, U, and now we're working on the letter C. It's a magic C. Why is it a magic C? Because it makes all kinds of other letters. C makes O, C makes Q, C makes D, and C makes G. All right. We're going to get out our boards and sing about where we start those letters. Everybody should have their boards in front of them. Where do you start your letters? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start at the top. Good job. Start your letters at the top. Please start your letters at the top. If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Here we go. Show me the bottom. Shake it in the middle. It's the top. Touching the top of your mat. Reach up to the top of that mat. Reach up. Way up. Reach out and touch the top. Here we go, going down. Reach down. Way down. Is that the bottom? Yes, it's the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Top, bottom. Shake it. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top. Do you start your letters? Reach it up to the top. All the way. Remember, start at the top, going down. No, it's the bottom. No, it's the middle. It's the top, top, top. Perfect. All right. On your own, make the letter C. On your own, make the letter C. Should be straight up and down, not curved. Good, you fixed it. Fix yours, Buster. It's not on the side. Nope, that's still not. Straight up and down. It's not a tilt. Straight up and down. Good. You should have Mr. Matt's smiley face at the top. Where's Mr. Matt's smiley face? At the top. Where's the top? Good. All right, go ahead. Good. All right. Let's go ahead and sing it together. Fingers at the top. Make a magic C, I'll show you how. Start at the top, go this way now. Stop at the bottom, look and see. Pointing to your C. Now pointing to yourself. All right, let's try one more time. Fingers at the top. See, I'll show you how. Start at the top, go this way now. Stop at the bottom, look and see. That magic C looks good to me. I like the way you pointed to your own C. One more time on your own. Just you. There we go. Perfect. All right. Oops, wrong one. Okay, good job, friends. Thank you for joining us for Circle Time.